You know that one person who's always the life of the party? The one who just seems to light up when they're in a big group? Well, there is a perfect word for that, and that's what we're going to break down today.
So, let me ask you, are you a social butterfly? Do you get your energy from being around other people? Are you the first one to start a conversation? Well, hang on to that thought, because today's word might just be your new favorite.
All right, let's get into it.
Today's word is gregarious. Kind of fun to say, right? Gregarious.
Let's make sure we've got the pronunciation down. It's Gregarious. Say it with me. Gregarious. Awesome. And let's just spell it out real quick. It's Gregarious.
So now that we can say it, what in the world does it actually mean?
It's actually pretty simple. Being gregarious means you're fond of company. You're sociable. It's the perfect adjective for someone who is super outgoing and just loves being in a crowd.
Here's a great example. She is gregarious and loves to talk with everyone at the party. You can just picture her, can't you? Working the room, chatting with everybody, having a great time.
Or what about this one? My neighbor is so gregarious that he invites people over every weekend. See, this shows that it's about actively wanting to be around other people.
Now this is really cool. The word isn't just for people. You can use it for animals too. For example, gregarious animals like dolphins prefer living in groups. It makes total sense when you think about it.
Okay, to really get a feel for a word, it helps to know its friends and, its opposites.
So for synonyms, words that are similar, you've got sociable, outgoing, and friendly. Pretty straightforward. And on the flip side, the antonyms, or the opposites, are exactly what you'd think: shy, introverted, or reserved.
Okay, enough of me talking. Now it's your turn to actually use the word.
So here's the question, and I want you to say your answer out loud. Ready? If you were gregarious, how would you spend your weekend?
I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to think about it and say it. Go for it.
All right, time's up. So what did you come up with? Maybe you said something like, I would throw a party for my friends, or I would join a club and meet new people. If you said anything along those lines, you nailed it.
All right, let's do a super quick recap just to make sure this all sticks in your brain. So remember, gregarious is an adjective. It means sociable or fond of company. Synonyms are outgoing and friendly. Antonyms are shy and introverted. And don't forget, you can use it to describe both people and animals who love living in groups.
You did some fantastic work today. You've now got a really powerful word in your vocabulary. So here's a little challenge. Try to use gregarious in a conversation this week. Thanks for joining in.